little boat will take you on a ride through the garden in the night and out the other side. What's that sound? Can you hear it? What do you think it is? If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right. Iggle, piggle, iggle, pop. We're going to catch the Ninky Nonk. Oh no, it's the Ninky Nonk. Catch the Ninky Nonk. What's that? Can you hear a noise? I wonder what it is. If you know the answer, shout it out. That's right. It's the Pinky Ponk. Here is a house. Whose house is this? And are they in or are they out? It's the Tombliboos. How many can you see? Tombliboo, Tombliboo, knock on the door. Tombliboo, sit on the floor. Tombliboo, here is my nose. Tombliboo, that's how it goes. Who's here? It's the Hahoos. Hahoo. Can you say it? Hahoo. The Hahoos. Hahoo. Looking up, looking down, here, there, and all about. What else can you see? That's right, it's the Tittifers. Let's listen to their song. Who's here? It's Makka Pakka's cave. But is he in? Yes. Hello, Makka Pakka. Are you clapping your hands today? Can we clap with you? Ready? Makka Pakka, akka waka, mika maka moo. Makka Pakka, appa yaka, ika akka oo. Hum dum, akka pang, ing ang oo. Makka Pakka, akka waka, mika maka moo. Who's here? It's Upsy Daisy. Hello, Upsy Daisy.
Oh, Daisy too.
Upsy Daisy, here I come. I'm the only Upsy one. I'm the only Daisy too. Ipsy, Upsy Daisy do. Are you blowing kisses, Upsy Daisy? Let's blow kisses to Upsy Daisy. Bye-bye, Upsy Daisy. See you later. It's the Pontypines. All together, off we go. It's Iggle Piggle. Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle, wiggle, nickle, diggle. Yes, my name is Iggle Piggle. Iggle Piggle, nickle, wiggle, roo. Look, There are all of Ickle Pickle's friends. Goodbye, Hahoos. Goodbye, Pontipines. Goodbye, Tomblyboos. Goodbye, Macca-Pacca. Goodbye, Upsy-Daisy. Goodbye, Ickle Pickle. It's time for us to go.